Hi, this is Adriana, and I just want to share a few words from Tony Robbins, who was doing his own research, and he made this video about the signs that people are not hearing on television regarding COVID-19. However, it's at the end of the day, it's what people really want to believe and what really matters to people. And I really like and want to share the words he says at the end. And I will leave the description, in the description I will leave the link to this video if you're interested in watching.
Please remember, we human beings are pretty damn resilient. We've been around 200,000 years. We've experienced every kind of change in the environment, every kind of microbe, every kind of challenge you could imagine. Here we still stand, for better or worse, hopefully for better. And just remember, life, it's meant to be lived. And sometimes we can get overcome by the drama, by what we see and hear every moment, and by dealing with real challenges that we forget that this life is still meant to be lived. So whether it be winter, spring, summer, or fall, whether it be in tough times or good times, I hope you'll find gratitude and joy and love with the people that you love, and you'll continue to grow and continue to expand. So no matter what happens economically, what happens in the environment, there's a quality of life waiting to be lived and enjoyed by you by just finding things to be grateful for in the midst of challenge. That's, I think, how we stay resilient. That's how we keep moving the ball forward. That's how we serve our children, our family, and our friends. So live fully, live with passion. And hopefully until we meet again, God bless.
Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed these words. And thank you for watching.